one last time, and he wanted to do it again. So we're gonna let him be the star of the video.
Yeah, he's gone.
He's gone.
Okay, but before we start this challenge, we have a challenge for you guys to hit that subscribe button. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You can do it, and it's free, so let's do it.
Whoa. Woo.
Let's get started.
Okay, so this is our setup. Whatever one he chooses is what I have to use.
Mackie,
Go choose. Called it.
he's a smart dog. He picked green, but then goes for every piece of cheese. Now this is what's left for me. I really didn't want that green, so now I'm kind of good with any color. Mackie. Purple! I wanted purple!
We switched up the rules a little bit. First one that he picks is Riley's. Second one he picks is mine.
So like the next cheese he eats, whatever cheese he eats next. So Mackie, go! Holographic! And Keegan gets this green and blue one.
That's perfect for my green.
I mean, purple and holographic look okay. I'm fine with that. Max, how do you like this challenge? He's thinking, I just want more cheese.
What he picks for first and third is for me.
And what he picks for second and fourth is for me. Go! Keegan gets foam soap and soap. I get lotion and... Wait, no, I get the soap and the lotion. And you get the instant snow and the foam soap.
Okay, let's get started.
Okay, so we're back. The dog picked us ingredients. He got cheese. Let's just show you what we got. So I got purple neon glue, lotion, soap, and holographic chunky glitters.
And what I got is green glue. And then I got this pretty glitter. And I got Insta Snow and hand soap. And that's it. I almost dropped that. Okay, so let's get
why
started.
did I have Let's get started. This is like Hulk colors.
Incredible Hulk.
I feel like this is like color changing. Like it's pink and it's purple. Squirt some lotion. Boom, boom, boom. Multitasking. Oh. That did not work out really well.
Okay. Now let's... Oh, I need a cup of water for the Insta Snow. I should have thought of that. How do I do this, Riley? Do I just... What do I do? Do I grab it?
You put a little bit, don't put like all, you need like, and then add water to that, a little bit because it grows. Intermission.
What the heck?
Snow.
That is cray.
Why have I added a ton of lotion? Because I don't really want this to be clear. And now I'm gonna add, I think, my glitter.
Is this scented?
Mine's not. Yours is not.
Mine smells scented. That's all. Mine smells like green apple.
Mine looks like I don't know.
Vikings.
You never say that word again.
It's so hard to mix. I need foam soap. I decided.
I think you probably added too much activator. Well, I'm gonna add my soap.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Your foam soap. I got soap and you got foam soap and foam soap. Mine's like a party. Mine's like purple with this holographic.
Ooh.
How's yours going?
Great.
That doesn't look so great.
Here, I need to wash my hands. Okay, I actually need to.
Max is being nice now and cuddling for getting cheese. Oh my goodness. Intermission while he washes his hands. together. By now I've probably gone with my hands, but like with my grandma, you saw she was just mixing and then it turned slime. So I'm gonna try that. Cause she's just too good. How's yours going?
Great. It's actually great. Like,
You already added your snow?
look at this. Like, the instant snow's not mixing in, but it feels nice. Got it under control at least.
Here's mine. Mine's like a crunchy slime, sort of. But that's pretty, I think.
I'm nervous.
Okay, guys, so I think once we're done, Mac is gonna vote.
I think she means when I'm done. Definitely.
I'm so close to getting the rest of this glue out. So close.
Yet so far.
Okay, you do.
Okay, so if you guys were wondering why we haven't been posting a lot, like, you know that our grandparents were here from that one video. The James Harden cookie thingy. Yeah. And they left a couple days ago, and they stayed for 10 days. And that's why we did not post for a while, like, because they were there for 10 days.
And
like,
they live in Arizona, so we kind of wanted to spend time with them. So now we're posting again.
Yes.
Y'all, so I'm done. Are you almost done?
No, I still have to have my glitter.
This is really sticky from that, but the texture's nice.
My texture's nice too. Look at that. I won. I'm ready.
This is mine, not sticky at all, because I activated it. And it's just nice like that. The purpley pink with the hollow.
When I put too much water, it like made mine, oopsie. It made mine 100 times more stretchy. Okay, do we set them on the ground?
Okay, let's set them on the ground and see which one Mac chooses. I need to win this one.
Mackie! Which one?
Nope, no.
I won. It's decided.
He's just laying over there.
My vote goes to Keegan.
Mac just likes the color green more than purple. That's why he gave me bad ingredients like purple, because he wanted Keegan to win. So he's like, you can have cloud and green, and you can win.
You said you didn't even want green.
Not true.
He's as bad as a judge as my dad, and let's just have you guys vote.
Team Icy Blizzard for the win?
Or Team
Barney. Sticky Barney.
Team Barney.
Okay, this was the second edition to our Dog Pixar Slime.
And a rigged judge, but he's cute, so I don't care.
He's my bud.
Thank you, Sugar Size.
That was very nice.
He's Mac,
You chose me as the winner. Well,